It's time to make some stricter rules here at this school. Huh? Dun dun dun, Yu-Gi-Oh! Dun 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 dun. Hello, teacher. It's time we play a game now. A game? What are you talking about? Simple, I'll show you. The game is a jigsaw puzzle. Except we'll be using these mirrors. The rules are simple. The first one to put theirs together wins. However, we'll be using these. Oh, I see. Now, let's begin. Ooh. You might want to use these, Teach. Be careful. This is a very dangerous game. Oh, how considerate. You too. What's the deal with this game, stupid kid? But I'll win it easily. He won't even know. I forgot to mention one thing. This is a shadow game. A shadow game? What's that? If you try to break the rules, a terrible punishment awaits you. Whatever. Once I win, he'll be the one that'll be punished. Ha! The door of darkness has opened. Huh? Teacher, you used your position to hurt Taya. What's happening? You merely wear the mask of a teacher. But the truth is, behind that mask is your true ugly face. And now, as punishment, your true ugly face will be revealed to the world. Penalty game. No! My face! My face! Oh no! Oh no! No matter what mask you try to hide behind, your true nature will soon be revealed, be it good or evil.